Hello and welcome to another episode on Unbox Tech Bytes. Today we're going to be comparing two UK broadband providers. We're going to be comparing Virgin Media against Community Fibre. So first off, we're going to start with Virgin, as I've been a customer of theirs for around 15 years now, and I've been on their 350 megabyte broadband deal for the last 18 months or so. Now, here we can see they've currently got the deal on at £27 a month. After 18 months though, that goes up to £56, which really isn't that great. Now, I've had a few issues with Virgin over the years. The hardware, which they provide you with their Virgin Media Hub. This is a router and modem in one, and to be honest, the coverage on this unit is absolutely abysmal. Not only that, it craps out after around 11-12 connections and cannot handle any more wireless connections. We'll move over and we'll take a quick look at their speed tests. Here we can see they're saying they're averaging around 362 for the downloads and 36 for the uploads. A little closer look and we can see that we're actually doing okay on the upload side of things. We've got a nice steady 380 there, and then for the upload we're coming in at around 21, which is pretty good. Normally it's around 18 to 20 I expect for my uploads. They're always a bit less than their average upload speeds that are provided. Now, whilst we're still on the Virgin page, we're going to take a quick look at their other package, their 1 gig fibre. Currently, they're offering this for $39.99 a month, and then after 18 months, that goes up to £62 a month, so just shy of doubling the price. This still comes with the Virgin Wi-Fi hub, which is really poor, and our uploads and download speeds from other customers that I've been speaking to are fairly accurate. Yet again, you can probably drop about 10 megabits off of the upload speed, so closer to around 40. And then what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to Community Fibre's broadband packages deals and see what we've got on offer here. So straight away we can see that their closest one is the 300 megabits broadband service, and they offer that at £24 a month. Now this is where things start getting really interesting. Their deals are 24 months on this one. You can change it to 12 months and you'll get slightly different prices, but to be honest, I'm happy to be locked in for 24 months for this. Now, as we expand this, we can also see that our average download and upload speeds are the same. No major differences like there are with Virgin. There's also no line rental, unlimited data, and you get full fibre to the home. Indeed, I have an optical fibre going all the way up into my modem, and you also get an absolutely smashing Linksys Velop 6 router with that, which coverage-wise and connection-wise, it can handle over 40 connections, and the coverage easily takes it out of my terraced home way into my garden. Now the big major difference here is the price. It's £24 a month for the first 24 months. After that, it will only increase by £2 to £26 a month after you're out of the initial contract. Now, I didn't bother with this. I went with the 920 megabits broadband service, which is £27 a month. After 2 years, that'll only be £29 a month. And as I said, I got the free Linksys router and all the other bits that came with that, the 995 setup, the full fibre to the home, the unlimited data, etc, etc. And then we get to the prices versus their other competitors. So the closest one we generally have here is BT Full Fibre. They're offering slightly cheaper for the first 6 months, but then doubling that going forwards. Now, depending on which package you go for, depends on what router you get. Now, I get the Linksys Velop Wi-Fi 6 tri-band intelligent mesh router, which I can't fault in any way, shape or form, and I'm sure that their other products that they give with the rest of their packages are just as good. Now, there is the one downside, unfortunately, and that's their coverage area. They are currently only a London-based service. As you can see here in the orange, they are expanding out towards the east, and they do plan to carry on expanding. I needed to wait for around 10 months for them to come into my area before I could actually get them out. And now we'll go ahead and do a speed test on the Community Fibre and see how that pans out. I'm expecting above 900, which is good. Yeah, we've got a nice 940 there. See where that averages out. That's 912. And our uploads. This is what I really love, is the uploads being just as high as the downloads. 947 there for the upload as well. So there we have it. You can see in plain form that it's just such a mega difference between the two. Not only in the upload speed, but for the price of what you're getting per megabyte, not including the hardware and the actual service that comes with it all.
Community Fibre is just leagues above the rest. Do yourself a favour, ditch Virgin, and if you're in London, go ahead and get Community Fibre. Now, that's all for today. If you could please though do subscribe and like the video, this would be much appreciated. It is a big help to content creators such as myself, and it also allows us to keep on producing more content for you. If there's anything else that you'd like comparing or viewing, then please do get in touch. More than happy to look into this. Take care, guys.